Hello, today is Friday, September 8th, 2023. My name is Daniel Mullany, and behind the camera today we have Diego Juarez. And today we are here to film a video source inspection for Sitek Process Solutions, where we're going to be checking out two 870S spin rinse dryer double stacks. These systems are shipping here in the United States, and our customer's PO number is 000012690. So that's quite a few zeros. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go ahead and get the process started and then discuss the systems as we go. Our systems are currently all configured with 6-inch rotors and cassettes like this. I'll pull this one out and demonstrate. I'll show them all at the end to show that they're dry as well. Okay. So these systems are a couple of several that have been shipped to our end user that is actually not running 6-inch substrates, which are in the chamber right now, but our end user is actually running a variety of smaller and odd-shaped glass pieces of a variety of types. The custom rotors required to run in these spin rinse dryers are currently at electropolish. But the systems are ready, so we're going to go ahead and get our video filmed and then prepare these tools for shipments and then back order the rotors out in a few days. What we have here are two fully remanufactured double stack spin rinse dryers. They have been upgraded with our Sitek Slick Device S1 controller retrofit. The touchscreen controllers that we offer allow you to take any semi-tool spin rinse dryer of the S&F model and upgrade it to today's modern technology. Our controllers here give you all the features that you'd expect in a new rinser dryer while saving money through our remanufacturing process. Some of the features that we offer in our controller, which stand apart from the original control system, are multiple recipes, the ability to monitor the N2 heater and the anti-static unit for proper functionality, data logging, SexGem communication, a maintenance mode that allows you to easily troubleshoot all of the features of the spin rinse dryer from the touchscreen alone, which also allow you to perform PMs much more easily, and a nitrogen purge saver. Our nitrogen purge saver intelligently cuts off the nitrogen waste in between runs and often saves at least $2,000 a year per chamber in wasted nitrogen, if not more, depending on what your nitrogen costs are. If nitrogen savings is something that's important to your company, please give us a call in order to have a discussion about how our controllers can save your company nitrogen. We have performed about 500 of these retrofits, and we have saved the semiconductor industry over $1 million in wasted nitrogen, and we can save you money as well. We'll work with you to figure out what your nitrogen costs are, what your spin rinse dryer usage is, and how much money you can really be saving in order to create an ROI report that will justify the controller upgrade. If these controllers were free, they'd be an obvious yes. But we understand that people need to be able to justify why we're going to be able to bring an upgrade into our fab, and the nitrogen ROI report is a great way to do that. Please give us a call or send in an email and we'll work with you on that. Okay, so we've got about 210 seconds left on each of these chambers. What we've done is we've just dropped down into our dry 2 recipe. So dry 1 is going to be a high RPM step that is going to sling the majority of water off of the cassette and substrates. And then dry 2 is going to be a low RPM step that's going to spin slower and let the heating elements of the system complete the drying. As you may notice, dry 2 is at a longer time because we're going to spend more time at dry 2 at this lower step in order to complete the drying process. Coming back to the back of the system, I'll also identify our system serial numbers for our end user, and it is SRD 01530 and SRD-01529. What makes our spin rinse dryer equipment so amazing is the remanufacturing process that we do in order to turn our tools into like new pieces of equipment. When we remanufacture a spin rinse dryer, we're going to break it down completely to the component level, From there, we're going to chemically clean and electropolish every metal part in the system in order to ensure its previous owner has no contamination left in the system. An example might be if you have concern about the previous user running a gold process, our chemical clean and electropolish process will remove 100% of those possible contaminants from the system, ensuring that the system that you buy from us will be delivered in a like-new condition that can operate any process that you need. We're then going to remanufacture all the components in the system that can be, such as the valves, the motor, and the upright positioner. We're also going to replace 100% of the consumables automatically, such as the window, all seals, any gasket, and all of the tubing in the system. We're also going to reskin the majority of the poly because the system needs to arrive to you looking in like-new condition. And then we're going to retrofit in our touchscreen control system, which gives you all the benefits of a new SRD for a fraction of the cost. Once all of these parts are prepped, we're going to assemble the system into the form that you've purchased. In this case, our end user's form is an 870S double stack. So we have each of our individual chambers going through their own QC process as they're manufactured up. We have each of our controllers going through all of their QC process as they're manufactured up. We're then assembling the chambers into the form in our final test area. And then we're going to go through all of our final QC, which includes burning your system in for at least 50 different process runs with a variety of different process recipes to ensure that the manufacturing process went as expected and that when the SRD arrives in your building, it's going to fire up and meet your expectations and our expectations, which is a fantastic piece of semiconductor equipment. Okay, so we have about 30 seconds left. Outside of the spin rinse dryers, we also offer a variety of other semiconductor equipment, box washing equipment, bottle washing equipment for disposal of chemical bottles, some metrology tools, photoresist pumps such as IDI and Cybor, some barrel ash systems, and a variety of other tools that can be found on our website, including mask cleaners for mass cleaning of lithography masks. If anything I just said sounds interesting, please take a look at our website or get in touch with us. All right, so you'll notice now that our lights are turning from green to blue. That's indicating that our system has completed its process run and we're now in the upright position. When I open this first chamber, you'll see us switch from blue to yellow, meaning we've now changed from process complete to idle phase. I can feel the nitrogen purging in warm, our cassette is warm, and our substrates are dry. We'll inspect each one of these chambers and then be able to complete our video source inspection. We only have so many substrates, so on this one we actually just ran a blank cassette. However, the cassette is completely warm and the chamber is just like this one, which has substrates in it. Again, purging in warm, substrates look good. And we'll now move on to our last chamber. This one had more of a full boat, substrates look good, and we are all set. There we go. That will conclude our video source inspection for today. Again, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to view it. My name is Daniel, and this is Film for Sitek Process Solutions. If you'd like to learn more about our products or services, please take a look at our website, which is www.sitekprocess.com. Check out some more of the videos on our YouTube channel, which is where you're at right now, or give us a call at 916-797-9000, and to reach me directly, dial extension 2201. Thank you again for your time, and have a great day.